I bet you didn't know fighter jets could race avalanches, right? Well, get ready. Picture this towering peaks, snow cascading down like a roaring beast. Suddenly, fighter jets dart into view, slicing through the sky. The avalanche rumbles, gaining speed, but these jets are faster. Engines roaring, wings slicing through the icy air. Every second counts. The avalanche closes in, but the pilots don't flinch. They pull up narrowly, dodging the white tidal wave below. Adrenaline spikes, heartbeats sync with the thundering engines. Just when it seems the avalanche might swallow them, the jets break free, soaring into clear skies. The snow crashes below, but the jets, untouched, victorious. Who knew a race against nature could be so exhilarating? Fighter jets, not just built for combat, but ready to take on the wildest challenges. Now, that's what I call high-octane action.